we can actually write this 64 here as 2 power 6. Okay, and then let me put this power in bracket. Okay, and then we can write 32 as 2 power 5. Okay, so I'm actually going to use this to multiply this 6 to multiply root x. So I'm going to be having 2 power 6 root x is equal to, so I can write this square root as 2 power 5, then raised to the power 1 over 2. Okay, so I will still continue to simplify. So this is 2 power 6 root x is equal to 5 times 1 over 2 is 2 power 5 over 2. And of course, as we continue in this video, if you are new to our channel, do well to just hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, so that you will always get notified each time we release new content. So at this point, since the base is the same, I can actually go ahead to construct the base, and then I will equate the power. So 6 multiplied by root x is now equal to 5 divided by 2. Okay, so I can actually go ahead to clear this fraction, and I'll do that by multiplying both sides by 2. Okay, and if I do that, 2 times 6 root x will be equal to 12 root x is equal to these two. We can actually cancel this, and then I have 5 left. Okay, so what we now have is we can go ahead to divide through by this 12 right here. So if we divide through by 12, this is actually going to cancel this, and then root x is now equal to 5 over 12. Okay, and at this point we can just take the square of both sides, so we can be able to remove this square root. This is squared, and eventually x is now equal to 5 squared is 25, and then 12 squared is 145. This is actually going to be the final answer to this problem. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the like button so you don't miss out in any of our updates. Subscribe to our channel, and then I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.